this is Lee with the Blount County Public Library. I hope you're having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to access and use Gale Onefile High School Edition. Gale Onefile is a research tool, and I'll explain it a little better than that here in just a moment. But first, you're going to want to go to the Blount County Public Library page at blountlibrary.org, and this is the home page. And up here at the top banner, we're going to go to Learning and click. We're going to scroll down and hover over eLibrary and keep scrolling down till we get to TN Electronic Library and click. That'll take us to tntel.info here, and we're going to head to All Resources and click. And then here in the search bar, we are going to type Gale High School. Click enter and scroll down until we get to High School Edition Gale Onefile. And here's the description. Gale Onefile High School Edition provides access to cross-curricular content aligned to national and state curriculum standards. Students can access news content, including full-text newspapers and periodicals. Gale Onefile High School Edition also provides access to videos, images, and audio selections. And we'll click Use This Resource. All right, and that'll land us at the Gale Onefile High School Edition page. I wanted to add that this service includes peer-reviewed journals. Peer-reviewed means that it is written by experts and reviewed by several other experts in the field before the article is published, which guarantees its quality and accuracy. Typically, the people reviewing it don't know the writers of the article, so that it doesn't succeed based on the writer, but based on the information. And with the Gale databases, you can log into Google Classroom, or your Google account, or your Microsoft account up here. There are lots of ways to search, and of course you can search for anything, but today I'm going to show you the advanced search and the topic finder. This tool is so great for writing a paper where you might have to cite your sources, so I'll use a couple of examples that I wrote papers on in high school. Let's use the advanced search for this example. Okay, so let's imagine that you're doing a social studies project and you have to choose a figure from American history. I am going to type in Edgar Allan Poe and specify that as the subject. And as a keyword, to narrow it a little bit, we're going to type biography. I can choose to only pull items with full text or peer-reviewed journals or something with images, but I am just going to leave it with full text and click search. It'll give you an idea of how long the source is, and you can click on academic journals. There are magazines, and I am just going to click on a random one to show you something very cool about Gale Onefile. If you're like me, you don't like figuring out how to type citations, and Gale Onefile already has the citation typed up for you in MLA, APA, and Chicago styles. And all you gotta do is copy and paste it. Let's do one more feature. So we are gonna click the back button here and go back to the main page. And we're going to click on Topic Finder. Topic Finder groups up topics from something broad. So I am going to type in eyes. That's pretty broad, right? It comes up with these groups of topics. Now you can also do it, instead of by titles, you can do a wheel, but I am just going to click tiles. And let's click on where it says university and new data. And look at that. Peer-reviewed journals with new data regarding eyes. And there is your basic overview of Gale Onefile High School Edition. If you have any questions, give us a call at the library. That number is 865-982-0981. If you like this video, please subscribe to the Blount County Public Library channel. If there are any topics that you would like us to cover or you would like to learn more about, please make suggestions in the comment section below. And happy reading!